Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply activate the Fiat service on your Binance mobile app step by step. And our first step is going to be by simply depositing our cryptocurrency. You simply click on deposit. And once you've clicked on deposit, we're going to be clicking on buy with USD. We're doing this for those who do not possess any fiat currency and would be entering approximately 20 USD in exchange for 19.9 BUSD. You simply click on buy USD, click on card payment, Visa, MasterCard, click on confirm. And once you've been able to enter your card information and the rest of that good stuff, your USD, that's your BUSD, would appear in your funding wallet. Okay guys, and with that piece of information, we're going to be simply clicking on the convert option right now, and we're going to be using the cryptocurrency we just purchased, which is on our funding wallet. Click on funding wallet, you click on BNB. You can either click on BUSD, which is the currency we just bought, and we're going to be converting BUSD into BNB. You click max, you click preview conversion, you click on convert. And with that, now we've been able to make use of our Fiat service. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can go about this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.